Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Amazon favorites. I'm so excited to be sharing this with you guys because I love Amazon. I have Amazon Prime, so if I need something in the house or something for myself, the kids, whatever, I'm going to be ordering it on Amazon because it's just going to come to my house in about 2 days. It's going to get shipped here. Super convenient. I don't have to leave my house. So today I'm going to be sharing my favorites. These are all the things that I personally order for myself. I'm gonna separate this video into 4 different categories just because I do shop on Amazon all the time. So I have a lot of stuff to share with you guys. There's a lot and it's not all gonna fit in one video. So I'm gonna separate it today. This is my favorites. Then I have things that I ordered for the kids, things that I ordered for our house, and then things that are for the kitchen. So a lot of kitchen stuff. I will link I have an Amazon storefront and I'm gonna link it down below in the description. I do get commission if you guys do decide to buy anything from my store. Just a full disclaimer if you decide to go and use that link. But I just thought it'd be a lot easier to have everything in one spot. So you can just search and browse everything I have. And they're also gonna be separated into kitchen, kids, and then home decor. So it's just gonna be super easy for you guys. And then if I ever do get something in the future, it's always going to be there. It's just going to be a lot easier for all of us to share. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to talk about are some hair things that I've gotten recently. So the first one, I did share this on my Insta stories when I bought it. This is the Bedhead Wave Artist. It looks like this. And I was just, I always do my hair kind of the same way every time, and I just wanted to experiment. So I got this one because I wanted to get some beach waves, and I like it. It works really well. Super easy to use. You just turn it on and it locks. This is how you open it on the top. You can adjust the heat right here. It's really easy to use, not really hard, on off switch. And then you just wait for it to heat up and you crimp your hair all the way down. So this works really, really well. The one and only complaint that I have about it is that it's kind of bulky and it's a little bit heavy. So by the time I'm done with my hair, my wrist does hurt and my hand does hurt, but it's probably because I have really long hair and I have a lot of it. So if you have shorter hair and you decide to get this, I'm sure it's going to be just fine because you don't have to do it. You don't have to do as much as me. This next product that I want to talk about, I actually found it on Pinterest. It's this here. It's called kukui oil. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it out right, but it's kukui. You know, like the kukui. It's an anti-frizz hydrating oil, and on the post it said that they sprayed this in their hair. It was silky smooth and soft, and so at the time my hair was super frizzy and super crusty basically, and now that it's longer it was getting tangled all the time. So I was just looking for anything that was going to make it soft and smooth. And the only thing is that when I ordered this, it came in a pack of 2, so I couldn't find it as a single. It was only sold as a pair. So I was kind of hesitant at first to order it because I was thinking to myself, what if I don't like this and then I'm stuck with 2 of them? But I took the chance because it was pretty affordable. I want to say it was like $13. So I was like, oh, it's okay, I'll try it out. But I love this. It works so good. I wash my hair, I get out of the shower, I spray this all over my hair, and it has a really super fine mist. So let me just spray it right now so you can see the mist. Do you see that? It's super finely like just distributed all throughout. You don't get like a straight spritz. So I spray this all over my hair once I get out of the shower and it's kind of air dried. I spray it all over, like all here, all inside, on the inside and then out. And it detangles my hair. It makes it so easy to brush. And then I'm left with silky smooth hair. So you can see here, it leaves your hair so soft. When I first started using this and I blow dried my hair, I couldn't stop doing this. It just felt so smooth that I was just like, finally I have smooth, soft hair. It doesn't get as tangled anymore. I'm telling you guys, especially if you have really long hair. I was frustrated because my hair was always getting tangled if I had it down. Try this out. It works so well. The next hair product I have is, if you watch Sex and the City, you're gonna die.
I loved it! Except for one huge problem. You have your leading lady running all over town wearing a scrunchie. A scrunchie!
The hair thing? What's wrong with that?
It's scrunchies. Yes, I am obsessed with scrunchies, you guys. They are the only thing that doesn't rip out my hair. So I ordered this set on Amazon and I got this many. So you get a lot. You don't, I got a whole bunch because I love them so much. And the reason why I love them is A, because it doesn't rip out my hair when I take them out. And B, if I'm wearing a ponytail and I use a scrunchie, it's not gonna leave that dent in my hair that most other hair ties do. And these come in different designs, and some of them have bows and some of them don't. So like this one has a little bow. I really like the ones with the bows. I think they're super cute and they just look nice. They look a little bit better than maybe like the ones you're thinking about. These are a little bit more chic, the design. So I'll go ahead and put this one on just so you can see what it looks like on. So that's it. See how cute it is though? I think they're so cute. Even if you're just wearing it around the house, you can still look cute. It's comfortable, it doesn't give me a headache, and you get a bunch of different patterns. I love it. I have one more hair thing. Recently I had a 70s party and I really wanted to have some hair jewelry on. So I ordered this pack. It comes with a pack of 4. So I have a whole bunch, but right here in front of me I have 2 because these are my 2 favorite ones. And I think I wore this one on my party, yeah. So this is one. I think it looks so pretty. I love hair jewelry. Put on this one. This one's super dramatic. Here's this one. This one's so pretty. I feel like a princess wearing this one just because it has a lot more going on. This is one. I didn't even try it on, so let's try this one on. Just because it has these like jade beads in it. It wasn't really going with my outfit that day, so I didn't even try it on, but now I'm curious. This one's really pretty. If you're wearing green, like a turquoise color, this would look so pretty. Ooh, I like it. So there are those. Those are just really fun. I think those are a cute little accessory that a lot of people don't really use. The next thing I want to talk about are these earrings that I found, and they're so pretty. I love the combination of rose gold and then a yellow stone. I think it's so pretty, that combination. It's pretty unique. So I love those earrings so much that I got the matching necklace so that I can wear them as a set. And here is the necklace. Again, it's super sparkly. And then you can see the design is really nice. It has like little rhinestones all around the yellow gem. And then again, it's the rose gold chain. Super pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on right now. So this is what it looks like on. I think it's so pretty, and then I love the way they look as a set. Right now I'm wearing earrings from Kohl's and they're rose gold. That's why it goes really well. But if I don't want to wear hoops and I want something a little bit more dainty, simple, I'll go ahead and put these on. And it just looks so pretty. I love the color combination. I recently ordered this mirror and I love it. You can move it like this. It has a little tray, so if you want to put some lashes there, whatever you want to put in here, some tweezers, it has that little tray. And then when you open it up, if you touch this little power button right here, you hold it, the light turns on. And if you want to dim the light, you just hold it again, and you can pick how bright you want the light. So here it's going down, 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 or you can just turn it off. So I thought that was cool. I like using this because for whatever reason, if I, get called, my friends are like, you want to go out to dinner, and maybe I'm at home and I'm just chilling, I don't have any makeup on, but the sun goes down, because the sun is usually my primary source of light whenever I'm doing makeup. but if I have to do my makeup in the evening, then I'll bust that out. It has a light, it's perfect, and I just think it's so convenient. You can take that anywhere and you're gonna have good lighting. Okay, and now I'm gonna talk about some things that I ordered clothes wise that worked out really well. So I'm gonna insert a picture. I'm wearing them right now. There's these bell-bottom pants that I got for my 70th birthday party. They are so comfortable. I feel like I'm wearing pajamas. They just have that really nice stretchy material. It's kind of velvety feeling even though it's not velvet, and they fit perfectly. And then the second thing I want to talk about are these yoga pants. So I was really into yoga. I still do it occasionally. So I have these yoga pants and they fit so good, and I love the print. They're the ones that go up to your calf, so they don't go all the way down. They're very comfortable. You don't sweat that much in them. And I like this little pocket right here. So if you're go to like a yoga studio, you can put like keys in here, some money if you need, whatever you want. You have just this little secret pocket right there. So I have these. I love the print. It's kind of like this smoke print. And then I also have these here. And this print is really nice as well. So these are so comfortable. I would totally recommend them. They're affordable, not too expensive, because I didn't know how expensive workout gear was until I actually like went out and tried to get some at Target. And I was like, whoa, they're like 30 bucks or something, sometimes 40 for a pair of yoga pants. And I was like, no. So of course I searched on Amazon and I found this. This next product I kind of just got it on a whim. I was using a gift card, an Amazon gift card, and I had just like a few bucks left on it. So I was like, okay, well, let me just search for something that's not too expensive to use it all up. And I came across this. It's for your phone. It's like this little holder. And I was like, sure, I'll just, you know, get that. It'll be nice to put my phone on here while it's charging. You guys, I use this all the time. If I have my phone with me, I'm like, okay, where's my little stand? I have to have my little stand. I'm even thinking about ordering like 5 more just to have one in every room. That's how much I love it. I know it's weird. It's just one of those things that you don't know that you're gonna love until you actually get it. It's just a simple little thing. But you know, if I'm eating dinner and I'm watching a YouTube video, I bust out my little stand and I put it on there and I just watch it. It's just so convenient not to hold your phone. Even if I'm like in the office and I'm just, you know, working, my mom calls me, she FaceTimes me, I'll set my phone on my little stand. I can be talking to her while I'm still working. It's just that little convenience. If I'm in the kitchen, I put on a cooking tutorial, I have my little stand there, I put my phone. It's awesome. And I really, really love it. They have really fancy ones, like where you can adjust the tilt on your phone, but I have this one, and of course when I'm charging it, it's holding it. So it's just a cute little gadget that I use a lot, that I didn't think I was gonna love, but I actually love it a lot, and I use it all the time. I'm like, where's my little stand? I caught Adrian using it one time and I was like, get your own. Okay, so we've come to the end of the video. I have one more product to show you, and I saved the best for last. I got these cards not too long ago, and I've been using them a lot, and they're really, really fun. Disclaimer, you have to be 21 or over to use these cards. These cards will get you drunk. Isn't that face funny?
Boring night? Well, get your party started with These Cards Will Get You Drunk, the drinking game that will have you and your friends laughing all night long.
I love these cards, you guys. If you're having a party and your friends are over, and of course you're drinking, in my family, it's automatic. We're gonna be drinking something. So I decided to get these cards just to make it fun. And they're so funny, the things that they say. So let me just pull one out. This one says, you must either take off an article of clothing or drink. This one says, swap attack. Keep this card. You can use it once to force someone else to drink instead of you. Pick someone and guess the color of their underwear. If you guess correctly, they drink. Otherwise, you drink. Everyone who has a dietary restriction drinks. Everyone wearing the same color shirt as you drinks. Starting with you, take turns naming an ocean animal. Continue until someone hesitates or repeats a word that person drinks. You drink. This game, they have a bunch of cards in here. Obviously, all different types of stuff. And it's just super entertaining. Obviously, people are drinking. It becomes really funny. So it's just a good time. I'm gonna definitely be getting more of these. You can vote down below which Amazon favorites you want to see next, and I'll get that out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I hope that you found this video helpful. I hope you like my recommendations, and if you try something out, let me know. See if you like it just as much as I do. And as always, thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in my next video.